Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Transform simple ingredients into a vibrant, delicious, and healthy meal in minutes, making your weeknight dinners a breeze. Veggie rice is incredibly versatile, perfect for those busy evenings or a quick, nutritious lunch option. It's a fantastic, flavorful way to boost your vegetable intake without even trying hard, adding so much goodness to your plate. You'll love how quickly this comes together, bringing a burst of color and nutrition to your table. You only need a few pantry staples and your favorite fresh vegetables to begin this delightful dish. Common, colorful choices like carrots, vibrant peas, sweet corn, crisp bell peppers, and fresh spinach work wonderfully. For the perfect fluffy texture, long-grain white rice or aromatic basmati rice is highly recommended. Gather your fresh produce and rice, ensuring everything is ready for a quick, seamless cooking experience that brings out the best flavors. Proper preparation ensures evenly cooked, flavorful vegetables dispersed beautifully throughout your rice. Dice harder vegetables, such as carrots and bell peppers, into small, uniform pieces so they cook consistently. Next, sauté these diced vegetables in a little oil first. This step is crucial as it softens them perfectly and truly enhances their natural flavors. This initial sauté brings out an amazing aroma, setting the stage for a deeply savory and satisfying meal. The key to achieving perfect veggie rice lies in mastering the correct rice-to-liquid ratio and precise timing. Add your carefully rinsed rice to the fragrant sautéed vegetables, stirring briefly to ensure everything combines thoroughly. Next, pour in your measured water or a flavorful vegetable broth, bring it gently to a boil, then immediately reduce the heat to low and cover your pot tightly. Let it simmer undisturbed until all the liquid is absorbed, creating fluffy, separate grains. Fluff the rice gently with a fork immediately after cooking. This simple action helps separate the grains beautifully and evenly distributes all those delicious vegetables. It's also a great idea to let it rest, still covered, for about 5 to 10 minutes after it finishes cooking. This allows any residual steam to complete the process, ensuring perfectly tender grains. Serve your incredible homemade veggie rice warm, either as a satisfying standalone meal or a versatile, colorful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.